Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos with ground turkey. Start by browning 1 pound of ground turkey in a large skillet over medium heat. Use a spatula to break the meat into small, even pieces as it cooks. This ensures a consistent texture for your tacos. Once the turkey is fully cooked and no longer pink, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is important for a lighter, healthier taco filling. Now, let's add some delicious flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your preferred taco seasoning mix with the brown turkey. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth. This liquid helps distribute the seasoning evenly and creates a savory sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until most of the liquid has reduced and the sauce thickens slightly. While your turkey filling is simmering, it's the perfect time to prepare your fresh taco toppings. Shred about 1 cup of crisp lettuce and dice 1 medium-sized, ripe tomato. You can also grate 1 cup of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Don't forget to slice about 1/2 cup of red onions for an extra kick. Having these ready makes assembly quick and easy. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious ground turkey tacos. Warm your taco shells, whether soft or hard, according to the package instructions. Then, spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the flavorful turkey filling into each shell. Pile on your fresh toppings like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and grated cheese. Add a dollop of sour cream or your favorite salsa and enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.